Hello and welcome to a HiCAD short clip. This video is about the module profile installation and its new features for industrial facets. First, I have created a sketch which I inserted via HCM constraints on this drawing. The inner contours of the sketch are displayed as inserts in the dialog on the left. What we will be doing now is to create a new layer via the tab Profile Installation. This layer can be renamed anytime. In addition, a profile series can be selected out of the catalog, and the catalog for profile installation has been enhanced with profiles from the company Brucha as of Service Pack 1. After we specified these profiles, we will look at the openings, more precisely the inserts, which can be inserted in the inner contours, as already mentioned. Different variants are already predefined, which can be placed onto the facet, as it can be done in the element installation. The inserts can be placed either separately or via multiple selection. Then we can add another layer, which we can also rename immediately. For this one, we will add trapezoidal profiles by ThyssenKrupp. And this setting is important in order to explain to you new features for length optimization and packaging function. Inserts are variants stored in our catalog. I would like to add such a variant again to show you which variables are important. These are I_H and I_L. Given these variables, the inserts will be adjusted automatically to the sketch. Let us now have a look at the second feature, which refers to the length optimization. As of Service Pack 1, the optimization is layer related. Here we have the layers which we configured beforehand. These can be hidden, by the way, which helps us when selecting required profiles, which can also be done either separately or per multiple selection. At first I have hidden only the first layer, which is configured with Brucha profiles. This step makes it more convenient to optimize the length of the trapezoidal profiles because we have a clear overview now. We can do this step likewise for the hidden layer when hiding the already optimized profiles. After we've done this, we can look at the result of the length optimization in the contour uncut mode. In the packaging area, it is new as of SP1 that unpackaged parts stand out with a green hatch, whereas the parts with a blue hatching are already specified. However, this setting is optional but gives you a clear overview of which profiles haven't been packaged yet. And you can also assign profiles subsequently. As before, the profile installation can also be used to automatically create packaging lists in addition to the usual BOM lists. And parts that are not contained in packages are still listed as not packaged in the packaging list. Okay, and here's the packaging list with the overview of profiles which were not packaged. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!